Hi friends, in last lecture we have seen the formula for solving the quadratic equation, and that formula was alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. And I have explained you some examples how to solve quadratic equation by using this formula, and I have given you homework to solve 2.4. Hope you have completed the homework. Today we will see the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Now you know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are the roots of quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c. That means if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the value of b square minus 4ac, that means which is under root sign, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root 0 upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus 0 upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus 0 upon 2a. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. And secondly, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is, x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equations are real and unequal. See, when the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. But when the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are real and unequal. And third case is if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are not real numbers. That is, the roots of quadratic equations are not real. From these three cases are given. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal and real. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equations are real and unequal. Whereas when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Keep this in mind. And moreover, the nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. We have seen here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0. From this we have to identify the nature, and this nature is depending upon the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, this b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant of a quadratic equation. This b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant of quadratic equation, and this discriminant is denoted by Greek letter star, or we can say delta. It is triangle that is delta. Now see here, activity is given, here value of discriminant are given. You have to write nature. What would be the nature of the roots? Come to the solved examples. In solved examples, we have to compare, we have to find the value of discriminant. To find the value of discriminant means to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Here determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation. That means here also you have to find value of b square minus 4ac. If the value is less, greater or less or equal, then according to that you have to write whether the roots are real, whether the roots are real or unequal, whether the roots are real and equal.